Hey, what's up? This is Seth with SethPerler.com, and I got an email from you, and I'm replying to your email with this video. And I get hundreds of emails now and a lot of requests, way more than I can possibly handle to work with people's families. And this has been frustrating me for a long time. So, what I decided to do is make a video so that I could get back to everybody and tell you how I can be helpful to you, even though I may not be able to coach your child at this time. So first of all, you're on a wait list, and then each season, if something comes open, I'll alert the wait list, and so on and so forth. But if I can work with you each semester, each new semester, I take on a new group of kids. Secondly, I have an online course which is in depth, it's quirky, it's robust. I deal with helping the parents and the students. I have PDFs. I walk you through step by step how I help a student change in the course of a semester. If you subscribe to my blog, go to the homepage or any of the pages and just put your email in there. It's free completely every Sunday. I'll send you an update and say, here's my new blog or here's what's going on. And so, anyhow, you can sign up for that. And it's just an easy way to know when I put out new content. And I also have a resource page on my blog. Now, that resource page, my assistant and I exhaustively went through my blog and put everything on there so that you can find it in an easier way than going through the blog roll and having to sift through everything. So check out the resource page. On the resource page, I have a few different things. One is I have PDFs. So you can go to those if you like those, and you can just look at the PDFs that I've made, find those articles, and print those PDFs. In the resource page, I have my 2E article, my executive function article. Those are my two most popular articles. They're super in depth, and for parents and teachers both, I really go very big picture and then very detailed in breaking down these issues so that you can better help your child. I also have a section on there where it's videos for kids where I'm speaking directly to the students. So the students actually like these. Now I'm dealing with resistant kids. Middle schoolers and high schoolers are generally resistant to stuff like this, and they actually like it. That's the point. So those are for them. So you can look at them and say, oh, my kid would like that, and share with them the ones that you think they'd like. On the resource page, I also have podcasts. There are many podcasts where I was a guest, and if you like audio, you can go ahead and download those and listen, and I'll explain all of the stuff that I do to be helpful to students. I have a YouTube channel, and on the YouTube channel, you can subscribe, comment, thumbs up the videos if you like them. And yeah, that I hope that helps. I am sorry that I cannot get back to everybody. I just literally, it would be a full-time job if I were doing it, but I hope that this helps. I wanted it to be a little more personal and to send something that mattered and could lead you in the right direction. So I hope this helps. If you want to support me, I'd really appreciate if you share my blog on Facebook or Pinterest or wherever you hang out on social. And you can also cut and paste the web address and send it to people that you think it might be helpful to. And you can also subscribe and comment on the YouTube channel and stuff like that. So I always appreciate if you're sharing my work. That helps me. And aside from that, I hope you have a great day. I'm sorry, that's my phone. And I will see you soon. Take care.